first week I did 500,000. Gold in the spring and diamond in the fall. And then a world tour just to top it all off. And let's pretend like they call me the greatest. Selling out arenas with big ass stages. And everybody loved me and no one ever hated. Just try to use imagination.
Can you pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Let's pretend I never had a friend by the name of Chris, who taught me how to rap when we came up. But it still haunts me and it's racking my brain up. Cause Chris was 14 when he passed away. But pretend I never made a promise that every day I promised to never make a promise that ever may demolish in every way the honest and steady reign of honor. Or imagine I never went to college, never gotten better at whatever I was rhyming about. Or have a best friend who honestly was a brother from another mother, but the honor was at the door. Imagine we weren't friends for 10 years and this betrayal didn't make me wanna shed tears. But when a man gets hurt, the immediate translation is anger, and you result to beating a man's face. But as my anger fades away and my true feelings fade in, the more I embrace the pain, now the blues is really playing. My gains don't add to my losses, I'm second guessing. Why did I come this way? It's looking like a dead end. Imagine if I was already successful and this first was me looking back at my threshold. But you probably don't know me, my heart's getting lonely, and this is how my soul weeps. Can we pretend that?
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
And it seems like yesterday it was just a dream. Those days are gone. Just and it seems like yesterday it was just a dream. Those days are gone.
Let's pretend Marshall Mathers never picked up a pen. Let's pretend things would have been no different. Pretend he procrastinated, had no motivation. Pretend he just made excuses that were so paper thin they could blow away with the wind. Marshall, you're never gonna make it. Makes no sense to play the game, there ain't no way that you'll win. Pretend he just stayed outside all day and played with his friends. Pretend he even had a friend to say was his friend. And it wasn't time to move and schools weren't changing again. He wasn't socially awkward and just strange as a kid. He had a father and his mother wasn't crazy as shit. And he never dreamed he could rip stadiums and just lazy as shit. Book a talent show in the gymnasium, bitch. You want him out the shit. Quit daydreaming, kid. You need to get your cranium checked. You're thinking like an alien, it just ain't realistic. Now pretend pain just make him angry with this shit. And there was no one he could even name when he's pissed it. And his alarm went off to wake him, but he didn't make it to the rap Olympics. Slept through his plane and he missed it. He's gonna have a hard time explaining to Haley and Laney these food stamps and his wick shit. Cause he never risked shit. He hoped and he wished it, but it didn't fall in his lap. So he ain't even here. He pretends that